In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can replace a hyperlink in Microsoft Excel. So here we have a link to what should be Bing, but if you hover over it, it will actually take you to Google. To replace this to a link to Bing, for example, we highlight over the cell and press Ctrl K. And then from here, as you can see, the link is to google.com. To have to bing.com, we copy and paste the address. To Bing instead, we make sure the text that is displayed is what we want it to, and we click OK to have the link be instead. One thing to note too is that we can actually have this be linked to a file instead, a place in the document, a new document, or even an email address if we want to. But for this example, I'm showing you how I can replace it to be a link to a different website. Click OK. And now if I click on here, it will take me to Bing instead. Hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.